Greetings. My name is Ann Richards Goffe. I was born and raised in Kingston, Jamaica. I have one father, one mother recently deceased, one sister, one brother, one sister-in-law, one brother-in-law, one niece, one nephew. In fact, I'm also known by many as Auntie Jo-Jo, and have recently published a book called Auntie Jo-Jo Goes Vegan, a Jamaican story with tips and recipes for a healthier you. I love to tell stories. I also love to sing songs. So I have released 2 albums under the theme Kom Mek Wi Worship. It's an invitation to all Jamaican worshipers everywhere to use our own language and our own music to worship God. And so that leads me to talking about how I am known as an ethnodoxologist, big word. It simply means that I promote and facilitate the use of indigenous languages and artistic expressions in worshiping God. I believe that by this means we will help to erase the negative impact of colonization on us down through the many years as we get to know ourselves better and get to know each other better, so that we can ultimately have deeper relationships with our Creator. So this is Joanne saying, Kom Mek Wi Worship. Kom Mek Wi Worship Him. Kom Mek Wi dance and sing. Give thanks and praise to the King of Kings. Mek we worship him. Yeah.